Have you ever wondered how that beautiful, high-colored, full detail art makes its way onto a t-shirt? Well, as most of you know, screen printing is one way. Shirts are printed as ink is squeegeed through the screen onto the garment. Screen printing is a craft, production-friendly, and has passed the test of time. Another option for t-shirt printing is direct-to-garment printing. Direct-to-garment, or DTG, is when a digital printer such as this Epson F2000 prints, you guessed it, directly onto the garment, digitally. This requires no screens, no mess, and minimal space. Sound easy enough? It can be if you do it right and use the right tool for the job. So let's start there. The job. Direct-to-garment printers cater to short-run jobs with full-color artwork on basic cotton or polyblend garments. So if your customer brings you this design and wants 500 of them printed, screen printing might be a great option. But if they want 36, direct-to-garment is the way to go. So let's get printing. Unlike screen printers, direct-to-garment printers lay down only a small amount of ink, but also a lot of detail. This means the better quality of shirt you print on, the better your print will look. I recommend a combed cotton or polycotton blend, commonly known as ring spun shirt. Like this next level shirt you see here. It's best to avoid your heavy, rough cotton low-cost shirt, as well as dark polyesters and polyester blends. Next, we need to pre-treat the shirt. This is an easy step and can be done manually or with a machine. Pre-treatment mats the fibers of the shirt together and gives a base for the print to stand up on. And for dark garments, it also chemically sets the white underbase so you can print color on top of it. Once you apply the pre-treatment, we tap it with a heat press to mat the fibers together for about 35 seconds at 350 degrees. Once pre-treated, I can load the garment onto my Epson printer and apply the hoop to smooth out the garment onto the printing platen. Now, let's jump into the Epson Garment Creator and drag in my artwork. Once centered and placed, I simply hit print to my Epson F2000 RIP, which is Mac and PC friendly. The RIP converts all my important color data and detail and makes it compatible with the Epson DTG sets used in the F2000. The printer receives the information, loads the garment, and starts printing. On this dark garment, it prints the white underbase first and then cycles back to print the color overprint. With this 10 by 12 inch design, it took us about 3 minutes and we used around $3 of ink. After our print is done, we can set the ink at 350 degrees with a heat press for around a minute, or down a large conveyor tunnel, which works great if you have a lot of printers going at once. And there you have it, start to finish, we have our shirt printed in a matter of a few minutes. Direct-to-garment printing could be a perfect solution if you have customers needing shorter runs or higher color work. The Epson F2000 is manufactured and supported directly by Epson. It's easy to set up, simple to maintain, and very affordable. Check it out on ScreenPrinting.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great garment printing videos.